everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a great little project to share with you today, and this is using our envelope punch board, and inside it houses a place to put a gift card and a place to write a little message. For this one here, I used the Petal Promenade Designer Series paper. For this one here, I did the All is Bright. And again, I just stamped it and jazzed it up a little bit. Now you will notice on this one here, I cut this away. But on this one here, I did not. For this one here, I did the Frosted Florals Specialty Designer Series paper, and again you will notice this one slides off like this and these slide off like this. So again, you can decorate it however you want. This is the Tranquil Textures Designer Series paper. So I'm going to show you how we create today's project. Super easy. I will have a detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, everything will be there. And the designer series paper I'm using today is 8x8, and this is the Frosted Floral Designer Series paper. My stamp sets that I'd used is the Making Christmas Bright and the Stitched All Around with the coordinating stitch label framelits. And I have a piece of Gorgeous Grape, and this is for the belly band. This piece is cut at 1.5 inch by 8.5 inch. I have my piece that I went ahead and die cut to save some time. I have two pieces of Whisper White, and these are cut at 2 5/8 by 3 5/8. I have two pieces of the Gorgeous Grape, and these pieces are cut at 2 7/8 by 3 7/8. So I have my envelope punch board, and we are going to line this up at the 3 1/4 inch, and we are going to punch and score. We're going to follow that score line. We're going to line it up at that tick mark, and we are going to punch and score. And we are going to go around repeating that. Now, you will notice that you have two larger pieces and two smaller pieces. On these smaller ones, we're going to round these corners. And then we're going to bring in our Stampin' Trimmer, and we're going to line the fatter part, and we're going to line up that corner, and we are going to score right down the middle, like so. What we are going to do now, these two larger sections, we are going to fold up to the horizontal score mark, like so. You're going to repeat that on the other side. I have my paper snips, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut away these triangles. What you're going to do now is you're going to fold and burnish all your score lines. So what I'm going to do now is you're going to decide whether you want that large piece in the middle. And I don't like it too much. So I'm going to bring in my trimmer, and I am just going to cut a sliver off. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use some tear and tape. I like tear and tape because it's a strong adhesive. And we're going to add tear and tape. I got my paper piercing tool and I'm going to remove the backing. I'm going to fold that up. And that's going to be your pocket piece. Okay. So, get all my stuff. I have, "Oh darling, you are fabulous." Yes, you are. And we are going to stamp that on that die cut piece that I did. Perfect. I have "Best wishes." And I'm using my Memento ink pad. You could use the Gorgeous Grape if you wish. Again, you will decorate this however you want. And I'm using my multi-purpose liquid glue for this. And I'm just going to attach these. Now, if you want to stick a gift card, you would take your gift card, grab some glue dots, and I just put on opposite corners. That will fit in there like that. I hope you're going to give this project a try. Super fun project. Very easy to put together. And then this piece is for the belly band. I'm just going to wrap this around like so. Again, I got my tear and tape. Nice strong adhesive. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're here in the US and you're interested in purchasing any of the product that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.